Alright, so let's run the project. Alright, so here is my form, and I'm going to add an appointment. So I'll click New, and I'm going to add an appointment to tomorrow, which is 16th of September, and the time can be, let's say, 10, and customer, I'll assign a customer Pavel 2, and the repair type I'll assign electrical, and let's say I want the repairman to be licensed, and description just test, for example. Click Save, and now when I go to View, Appointments, and click All, down here is my appointment that I saved. So I'll click the row and click Edit, and everything shows in the Modify Appointment form. You can see it belongs to Pavel 2, it's electrical, must be licensed, and the time is set for 10 o'clock. So let's modify this. I'll just add another test and test. And let's say I don't want this to be electrical, but plumbing and no licensed. Click Save. And now it was updated. You can see it's not licensed anymore, for example. So if I click it now and go to Edit, you can see the new data has been saved. So I'll just cancel off that. Now let's check the filtering. I'll select the customer. Let's say I want Pavel 2, and this is my appointment. If I select other customers, they of course have different appointments. And I still have one customer with no appointments, which is Pavel Almási down here. So let me actually delete this customer. So I'll close this form, go to Customers and View, and I'll go to Pavel Almási here and delete customer, and I'll confirm. And customer was deleted. You can see the name is gone from the grid view. Now let's go back to my appointments. I'll select all, and I'm going to delete the one I just added. So first I'll just try to delete without nothing selected, and I get the message that appointment needs to be selected. So I'll select the one I added and click delete, asking me if I want to delete it. I'll click yes, and you can see it's been deleted. If I go to customers to Pavel 2, no appointment is visible anymore because it was deleted, of course. So now I can actually go to customers, view, select Pavel 2, and delete that customer as well if I wanted to. Let's click no, for example, and it says customer not deleted. But if I click yes, then customer is deleted. And then when I go back to my appointments, Pavel 2 is not showing in the appointments anymore. Alright, so I think our application is working correctly. This was quite a large project. There was a lot of moving parts. So I hope you enjoyed doing this project. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next exercise.